One thing that makes a web application very user-oriented is the facility to allow users to upload files. Examples might be a community photo gallery or a document sharing repository, or things like that. Of course, you've probably guessed the first thing we need to do is provide the user with a form. But forms to upload files take on a very special structure. The first thing to notice that inside the first form tag is this encoding type, which has to specify that the enc type is equal to multipart /form-data in double quotes. And of course, the action and method components are the same as before. In fact, we'll send this form back to itself. The next thing to notice is that the input type file presents the user with a browse dialog. Our input button submit is as usual. It's labeled upload file, and we click on that to upload the file. But the important one is the browse dialog, which is generated by input type equals file, and then of course the name equals user file. And this user file name for the browse dialog is critical to the next part of the equation. Also in there we can put a hidden input tag with name equals max file size, and that's all in uppercase, with a value of the number of bytes, which is the maximum size of the file we'll allow the user to upload. This form, with the input type of file, sends to the target an associative array called $_files. This associative array has a number of values which can then be read by the target file. In fact, when we get to the target file, $_files, first parameter user file, which is the same as the file type or the input type of file, user file temp name, TMP name, is the name and the temporary location of the file we've uploaded using the browse dialog. We set an upload directory on our server. In this case, it's going to be our images folder, and the upload file name is going to be the upload directory concatenated with the base name, and this is a new PHP function, base name of the file's user file name is the directory and name of the file that was uploaded. But base name strips away the directory and just gives us the name. So we concatenate our new directory that we're uploading to onto the base name of that file, and then we move the temporary file into the upload directory. Of course, we then have to test whether the move uploaded file function worked or not.